Encountering the Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford Fiesta Ecoboost? It means your car's ECU can't communicate with the TPMS sensors, typically located in each tire valve stem. This is often due to dead sensor batteries lasting 5 to 10 years, wiring issues, or software glitches. First, try a TPMS reset. Start your Fiesta, use the steering wheel control's OK button to navigate the instrument cluster menu, find TPMS reset, and select it. Then, drive above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. This recalibrates the sensors. If this works, great. If not, move on to sensor checks. If the reset doesn't fix the error, inspect your tire sensors. Check for damaged wires and make sure your tires are inflated to the recommended pressure of 32 to 35 psi. An OBD2 scanner can help identify specific sensor faults, such as C1A20. Corrosion, especially from road salt, is a common culprit. If a sensor is faulty, you'll likely need to replace it. Replacement sensors cost $50 to $100 each, and a TPMS relearn tool costing $20 to $50 might be needed for programming. Still no luck? It's time to see a mechanic. Ignoring the TPMS error can lead to undetected underinflation and potentially dangerous tire blowouts. Experts estimate that 60% of not detected errors stem from battery issues, and resets are less successful on older vehicles. Professional diagnostics can prevent further safety risks and warranty issues.